Welcome back, my dear students of class 8. Dear student, I am Rajendra Rai, teaching by this digital video about the synthetic fiber and plastics, chapter 3. Dear students, you are looking the visuals here, and these visuals are representing the so many kinds of the fibers. And as you know, the natural fibers are the plant fibers and animal fibers that you have already studied in the previous classes. And now in this chapter, you will study about some synthetic fibers. So synthetic fibers are the rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic fiber, etc. are the synthetic fibers. My dear student, about the you must know about the uh, different types of the monomers, and monomers are the hydrocarbons. Monomers are the hydrocarbons, and that hydrocarbons mainly that are used that hydrocarbons are used in that hydrocarbons are used in that hydrocarbons are used in the making the different types of the polymers, and these polymers are these polymers are the combination of the different types of the monomers, and these monomers are the hydrocarbons. So students, the hydrocarbons are the combination of this carbon and hydrogen CH. So the monomers are like ethylene, methane, butane, propane, hexane, octane, and so on. And ethylene, ethylene, propylene, butylene, etc. These are the hydrocarbons. So suppose this is the monomer CH2, this is the ethane. Then the combination of the CH2 that leads to the formation of a polymer. And students, these monomers, when they get united, they form the different types of the polymers. And these polymers are of different types of the these are of different types of the different synthetic fibers that you must know. And students, and not only this, you must know about the some other images that you have to look it. You have to look upon this, and these images are here stored in the memory, and that you are looking here. So dear students, rayon, nylon, polyester, and acrylic fiber are the synthetic fiber, and there are so many uses of these synthetic fiber, like they can be used as a fabric, in the cloth industry, they can be used in the making the curtains, they can be used in the making the parachute, they can be used in making the umbrella, covering, PPE kit, and so many things are available, and that can be used as a utensils, different types of the utensils. My dear students, these synthetic fibers are very economical, very cheap, and they are having the property of the minimum care by the human. They can be easily washed, they can be easily dyed, they can be easily pressed, and they can be used in the so many household utensils like sofa cover, curtains, cloths, bed sheets, carpets, etc., etc., etc. My dear students, these are, but the negative points of these synthetic fibers are that they are not hygroscopic, they cannot absorb the water, and they can be only, they can produce the wetness inside the body. Body will be hot in the summer season if we wear these synthetic fibers cloth. And dear student, synthetic fibers, if you see the different types of the astronaut dresses, like dresses that can be made for the astronaut, dresses can be made for the pilot, dresses can be made for the other technical department, and so these are very cheap. These can be utilized. These can be utilized in the different forms, in the different utensils. Not only this, my dear students, these plastics and plastics are also a kind of polymer. So polymerization of the different types of the hydrocarbons results the formation of the different types of the synthetic fibers as well as different types of the plastics. PET, polyethylene. PET is the plastic that is used for the making plastic bottles and plastic utensils, etc. So dear students, in this chapter, rayon, nylon and polyester. So rayon is the type of the polymer that combined by the different types of the hydrocarbons. But nylon, that will be formed by the combination of hydrocarbon with nitrogen also, and that is why nylon is too much strong. And not only this, polyester also is the combination of different types of the monomers of the hydrocarbon and nitrile group. When nitrile group will be added in this polymerization chain, then there will be the formation of polyester. And acrylic fiber, that is something different, means it can be used in making plastic bottles, it can be used in making syringe, it can be used in making other semi-plastic utensils. So students, in this video, just remember one thing, that the hydrocarbon like rayon, this is a polymer, rayon, nylon, and polyester means the different types of the hydrocarbons, when they get polymerized and their esterification results the formation of polyester. So polyester is used in making cloth, making curtain, making bed sheet, making carpet, etc. And not only this, dear students, apart from these, there are acrylic fibers. So acrylic fibers are the fibers which are used for making different types of the PET, PET bottle and other semi-plastic utensils. Although these are the synthetic fibers and they are very harmful for the environment and environmental issues, but as far as the cost is concerned, these are the very cheap, durable, less tearing, and so on. So my dear students, in the next video you will see about the different types of the plastic. So thank you very much.